My name's Jo. I work for the Rotoroa Island Trust as their operations manager, as a contractor. We're on Rotoroa Island in the southeastern end of the Hauraki Gulf. The island's been owned by the Salvation Army for over 100 years, run by the Rotoroa Island Trust, and an island that we've done a big restoration program on. The Rotoroa Island Trust was formed to restore the island. When the restoration work started, there were 20,000 pine trees on the island. In the first 2 years, we were planting 100,000 trees a year, and we planted a total of about 350,000 trees with contractors and getting rid of animal pests and creating a really nice sort of natural place that people could come and enjoy. We had a partnership with the Auckland Zoo, which was great and allowed us to put native species back onto the island. So we've got takahē and kiwi here at the moment. Operation Nest Egg is a national kiwi initiative. Most people in New Zealand know that kiwi are one of our most threatened species in New Zealand, particularly on the mainland. And a real value of these islands that are pest-free is that we can use them as refugia for our endangered species. The future for Rotoroa is just a place for people and a place for wildlife, really. You know, that people can just come and enjoy it and wander around at will, stay the night, come in their boat, swim, snorkel, play, do anything that they like, surrounded by things like weka and kiwi and takahē, and just have a really good time out here. You know, that idea of a sanctuary that was always for people, and now it's a sanctuary for wildlife and people to visit and enjoy it.